जहां आदमी कुछ नहीं है, वफा कुछ नहीं, दोस्ती कुछ नहीं है।
ये दुनिया जहां आदमी कुछ नहीं है, वफा कुछ नहीं, दोस्ती कुछ नहीं है। The dialogue of Pyasa is a fantastic amalgamation of what went into making the classic called Pyasa.
जाने वो कैसे लोग थे जिनके प्यार को प्यार मिला।
The dialogue of Pyasa is the brainchild of Nasreen Munni Kabir. There are some rare pictures. There's a photograph of Johnny Walker, who was supposed to play the treacherous character of Shyam in the film. He went on to play an altogether different character in the final film itself.
Malish, tail malish,
Nasreen has given interesting insights into what went into the making of the classic called Pyasa. There's a section called Pyasa, a meeting of minds and hearts, where she just brings together all the people, all the important people who went into the making of this film. People like Abrar Alvi, the writer of the film, and his association with Guru Dutt.
मुझे शिकायत है उस तहजीब से, उस संस्कृति से, जहाँ मूर्तों को पूजा जाता है और जिंदा इंसान को पैरों तले रौंदा जाता है।
V.K. Murthy, the cinematographer, the man responsible for the everlasting silhouettes that you see in Pyasa.
हम आपकी आंखों में इस दिल को बसा दें तो
हम मूंद के पल को इस दिल को सजा दें तो।
Sahir Ludhianvi, another giant who had a big role to play in the success of this film. His lyrics were outstanding, and they had a layered meaning to it, which literally redefined the concept of writing lyrics in Hindi cinema.
ये पूछे ये नीलाम घर दिल कशी के, ये लुटते हुए कारवां जिंदगी के, कहाँ हैं मुहाफिज खुदी के, जिन्हें नाज है हिंद पर वो कहाँ है।
She has given references from various articles that were published in magazines like Filmfare and other journals at that point of time. While talking about the association of Guru Dutt with various stalwarts, Nasreen goes into the personal spaces of these people as well, and that makes for very interesting reading. When she talks about Sahir Ludhianvi's personal life, the kind of problem he had with his father and the kind of closeness he shared with his mother. So that reflects in the turmoil of Vijay, that is the main character of Pyasa as well.
मुझे भी अपने साथ ले चल, मैं भी इस घर में एक पल नहीं रहूंगी मेरे बच्चे।
तू फिक्र न कर माँ, मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगा, मैं जैसे भी कोई इंतजाम कर सका तुझे यहाँ से ले जाऊंगा।
Same with V.K. Murthy, the way he was influenced by Guru Dutt, the way, the kind of freedom he got from Guru Dutt.
ये दुनिया अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या है, ये दुनिया अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या है।
Abrar Alvi as to how he flourished as a writer under Guru Dutt.
जिंदगी की असली खुशी दूसरों को खुश रख के हासिल की जाती है, और ये तुम कभी नहीं समझ सकते।
All of them, they have a bit of a common thing to say about Guru Dutt, about his perfection. He wanted to really do something, some extraordinary work in cinema.
मुझे किसी इंसान से कोई शिकायत नहीं, मुझे शिकायत है समाज के उस ढांचे से जो इंसान से उसकी इंसानियत छीन लेता है, मतलब के लिए अपने भाई को बेगाना बनाता है।
And he wanted to just stretch his limits. He was not happy with what he's doing in terms of the final thing. He always wanted to give something more to it. What most of them they have said about Guru Dutt is that in professional life he was approachable and he was always open to ideas as well. Like say for example the climax of Pyasa was something else than what it finally turns out to be. Maybe because of the commercial element that the distributors had in mind, Guru Dutt changed the climax of the film to make it a bit more happy than what it was. So that shows that he was open to others' ideas as well.
दूर जा रहा हूँ गुलाब, जहाँ से मुझे फिर दूर न जाना पड़े।
बस यही कहने थे।
साथ चलोगे?
Feeling is that he did not let people come too close to him personally. He kept people at a distance, and that is in a way a sign of artists as well, that they want to just be within themselves and discover themselves.
मैं दूं भी तो क्या दूं तुम्हें ऐ शोख नजारो, ले दे के मेरे पास कुछ आंसू है कुछ आहें।
I think in a way it was responsible for Guru Dutt's suicide as well, that he just went on being too much in himself than really expressing himself to people around him. Sohail Akhtar has transcribed the entire dialogues and the song lyrics from the original soundtrack and reproduced them in Urdu and Romanized Urdu. The book also has rare drawings that were part of the original publicity booklet that came out in 1957. Pyasa was loosely based on one of the short stories of Guru Dutt, which was called Kashmakash. Let's bring you some significant details about the film that have been very well portrayed in this book. The book, The Dialogue of Pyasa, also has a DVD along with it. The DVD has 4 contents in it. The first one has the full movie. The second one has the important scenes from the film. The third one has all the song videos from the film. And the fourth one is the subtitles, the English subtitles. Obviously, the English subtitles don't do justice to the Hindustani that is spoken in the film. Pyasa the film is a rare piece of cinema. Yes, the references to Devdas are fair enough because the two ladies, the kind of background that they have, and a guy who's in a bit of a loser and into drinks and all those sorts of things. Similarity is there, but apart from that, the kind of uniqueness that Guru Dutt brings to the film is fantastic. In terms of the technical sheen of the film was simply brilliant, much ahead of its time. The kind of poetry it has, the kind of writing it has is very special.
इस दिल की बेबसी पे तरस खा के पी गया.
The poetic language of the film was in a way its hallmark, a bit of a risk as well, जिसको कहते हैं सकील उर्दू का भी इस्तेमाल किया गया था इस फिल्म में, which is a bit of a risk that how will a common man will be able to relate to it, but common man did relate to it in a big way by just gauging the kind of success the film had in the final analysis, even in terms of box office. Had all the trappings of commercial cinema. The comedy track of Johnny Walker was very entertaining. Each time he came on screen, it was hilarious stuff. The music, I think it had a wide palette of songs to it. S.D. Burman at his best. Serious, meaningful numbers like "Ye Duniya Agar Mil Bhi Jaye To Kya Hai." जिन्हें नाज है हिंद पे वो कहाँ है. For this song, Mohammad Rafi साहब got his first national award as well.
कहाँ है, कहाँ है, कहाँ है.
जाने वो कैसे लोग थे जिनके प्यार को प्यार मिला.
लोग थे जिनके प्यार को प्यार मिला.
And then the fun numbers, the romantic tracks were there as well. So it was a wide palette in terms of music. Love, suffering, family woes, story of a poet who's a misfit in the mediocrity of day-to-day life.
कॉलेज में क्या शान थी तुम्हारी और अब ये फटे मजनू बने किसके लिए फिर रहे हो?
पीछा ही नहीं छोड़ती.
हैं? कौन है?
बेकारी.
How excellence is trampled upon and people just walk all over it. It's a tale with lots of twists and turns. The romance is legendary, classic stuff.
मैं आज तक किसी को सुखी नहीं कर सका.
Overall, it's a film that really satiates you as a viewer in every sense of the word. Still. A noted critic of those times, Babu Rao Patel, in his review of Pyasa in Film India in 1957, said that Pyasa brings confusion to the screen. Guru Dutt's vain attempt to look intelligent. Obviously, millions of people disagree with him, and it establishes once again that the critics are definitely not right all the time.
जिस विजय के नाम पे आप जिंदाबाद के नारे लगा रहे हैं, मैं वो विजय नहीं.
A Dialogue of Pyasa is an engrossing book. Anyone who has admired and respected the film should be having it. Well done, Nasreen Munni Kabir and Om Books. I'll give it 4 out of 5 stars. That's all we have from BollywoodHangama.com. Keep on watching.
जाने वो कैसे लोग थे जिनके प्यार को प्यार मिला. हमने तो
जब कलियां मांगी कांटों का